The US market offers excellent investment opportunities every day for those who know to read data and balance sheets, despite those who panic and play the game of speculators. Are you curious to uncover the secret behind that recent 10% drop in a famous stock? And more importantly, do you want to know about the incredible investment opportunity hidden in this situation? Well, get ready, because in today's video, we'll unveil all the details and why this might be your golden opportunity in the world of investments. But before starting with our analysis, I remind you to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to stay up to date with our new videos like this one. Thank you. Exciting news in the financial world. British American Tobacco, BTI, recently experienced a 10% dip in its stock value due to adjustments in some intangible assets. However, far from a setback, this presents a fantastic investment opportunity. The stock is currently highly affordable and boasts an enticing 10% yield, an ideal moment to consider adding it to your portfolio. Diving into the details, several traditionally lucrative stocks have faced declines as investors shift toward fixed income options like CDs amid rising interest rates. Additionally, attention has turned to the Magnificent Seven and cryptocurrencies. British American Tobacco had already witnessed a decrease in its stock price, and the recent announcement led to an additional 9% drop. What's the cause behind this significant drop? Did the company slash dividends or lose a major lawsuit? Not quite. The dip is attributed to the company's decision to adjust some intangible assets on its balance sheet, such as the value of its brand and other acquisitions made over the years. Despite the substantial $31.5 billion hit to British American Tobacco's balance sheet, it's essential to view this in context. Intangible asset impairments are a standard accounting practice and do not result in cash outflows or impact future profits, cash flows, or dividends. Although the book value of BTI may decrease, the stock is typically evaluated based on its earnings and cash flows. With these metrics unaffected by the news, the 10% dip appears to be an overreaction from fearful investors. In addition to the impairment news, British American Tobacco anticipates slightly slower revenue growth this year, around 3% instead of the previously expected 4%. While not ideal, a 1% variation in revenues is not considered a significant cause for a substantial sell-off. The crucial point is that BTI remains on track for growth this year. On a positive note, the potential ban on menthol cigarettes in the US is now delayed, providing British American Tobacco and other tobacco companies with an extended period to sell menthol products, potentially leading to increased profits. What do you think about tobacco companies? Do you believe investing in these stocks is ethical or not? Let your opinion be known in the comments. British American Tobacco's focus on high-yield products, including vaporizers, non-burning devices, and pouches, represents a strategic move within the evolving tobacco industry. Despite initial challenges, these ventures are now profitable, contributing to the company's overall success. Looking ahead, British American Tobacco envisions that the growth of its reduced-risk product portfolio will offset the decline in traditional cigarettes, projecting long-term revenue growth of approximately 4% and an annual profit increase of around 5%. Even if these ambitious goals aren't fully realized, the stock remains attractive at current prices, trading at just 6.4 times this year's earnings and offering a substantial 16% earnings yield. Moreover, BTI generously shares its profits with investors, boasting a 10% dividend yield. With only 63% of earnings allocated to dividends, the payout is secure, distinguishing BTI from competitors like Altria or Philip Morris. Now, if you like this video, we ask you to help us, so remember to subscribe to the channel. Put a like and activate the bell to always stay updated on new videos like this. Thank you for your support, and very important to us, taking advantage of market sentiment when it turns negative can yield significant rewards. British American Tobacco, currently trading at a "be greedy when others are fearful" price, presents a compelling opportunity with its high dividend yield and promising earnings yield. Today, the stock is trading at a price of $29.18, and our analyses calculate a potential long-term target price of over $60 with a profit margin of over 110%. The recent impairment of intangible assets does not impact the company's liquidity or cash flows. Coupled with the potential for growth in BTI's reduced-risk portfolio, this scenario makes it an appealing prospect for investors. Finally, we remind you that we are not financial advisors, and that this is not an invitation to invest, but is an analysis made on the basis of our experience gained in the US stock market. We invite you to always delve deeper into the analysis in order to have the most complete vision possible to decide whether to invest your money in this stock and understand whether this type of investment is appropriate for you. See you soon, investor!